Hi digital marketers, this is Faisal. Amin. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have to discuss about what is Google Tag Manager Gateway and how to set up the Google Tag Manager Gateway and why you need to set up Google Tag Manager Gateway also. So no more delay, let's get started. You know that you have to set up the Google Tag Manager Gateway. So you need to set up the any kind of CTN provider service like Cloudflare. So who are new like me? For that, I am creating also the connect our website with the Cloudflare. So back to our Cloudflare, you can see that I am just landing on the Cloudflare. You just type on the search bar, you just search on the cloudflare.com and login process. And in the login process, you have to continue with the Google, and you can also providing the email and password to create in the Cloudflare account. So the dashboard is almost loading, and you have to provide it your domain name and continue. So I will go to the free plan. Now you have to just scroll down. No need to concern about it. So I will scroll down and continue to activation. So then you can see that replace your current name server with Cloudflare name servers. And that is you have to copy the DNS record and you have to delete the previous DNS record from your hosting provider. In my case, I am using the Namecheap. So go to my Namecheap account and you can see that my domain is selected and we have to add in the custom DNS from the Cloudflare. So back to Cloudflare, copy the DNS record, first one, and back to our domain section. So to paste the first one and also the second one, we have to copy from here and paste it. And you have to select the save and save. Your DNS server is updated. So back to our Cloudflare and continue. Our Cloudflare is now protecting our site. So we are done from the Cloudflare. So now we have to understand that why we need use the Google Tag Manager Gateway. So that is our site and we have to successfully set up the Google Tag Manager with the tag with our website. So inspect my site and go to the network and reload the page. And if I am go to the search the slash collect and go to the last one, here you can see that our request URL is googleanalytics.com collect our Google Tag Manager ID. That is the third party request, not the first party request. For these reasons, Google are launched the Google Tag Manager Gateway. By using this gateway, you have to able to set up the first party domain. So how can you create that? Go to our Google Tag Manager, then go to the admin, and in the container, you can see that Google Tag Gateway. From here, you have to find out Google Tag Gateway. So click on it and go to continue. And you have the option to your Cloudflare account will be connected. So my Cloudflare account already connected this browser. So I'm just signed into Cloudflare on it. So I'm click on it and allow it for the synchronizing. So click the allow. So after synchronizing, you can see that your website domain will be activated and that is our website. Our website is perfectly connected with Google Tag Manager with Cloudflare. And you have to also change the path according to your need. But in my case, I do not change it. So finally, I am just click the complete setup. And you can see that Google Gateway are activated and setup is complete. Just click the done. So now we have to submit our changes. That is GTN Gateway. Just publish. So now question is how can we understand that Google Tag Gateway is perfectly working or not and if that is activated or not. So again back to our website, clear it and reload the page again. So if I go to the again the network and the header section, you can see that request URL is my main domain. So that is the first party request, and that is provided by the GTM Google Tag Gateway. And but remember that you have to this set up only for Google product. That means Google Ads, Google Analytics 4. But for Facebook, Twitter, and other social media platform tracking, you do not use Google Tag Gateway. I repeat again, you do not use for the other social media platform, only for the Google Ads and the Google Analytics 4. So I hope you understand how can we adding our website with Cloudflare, and we have to connect with our Google Tag Manager and set up the Google Tag Gateway. So I hope this video is helpful for you. In the next video, we will see in the next another topic. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.